In this video I'll be walking you through our software bulksend.com.ng and everything about it. So basically, BulkSend is a bulk messaging software that uses your Android phone as a gateway. So i.e. simply use your Android phone as a gateway to send bulk SMS to any country, as long as even it goes to the extent that you can put the SIM. That is why the Android phone is a gateway. The SIM card can be in the US, and then you can be in Qatar, and you can use it to send. You can use that SIM card that is in the US, in another phone in the US active, as a gateway to send bulk SMS and targeting people in the US. So it's a worldwide messaging software. So meaning your Android phone can be in any country in the whole world where the gateway is installed, and it will be able to send that bulk SMS through that gateway that it is installed on, directly from wherever you are in the world. And it can be on that particular Android phone that you are on, that you can send that gateway in that same country. So whichever one you choose, that's how it works. So I'm walking you through the registration, the signing, and every process. So let's register. So I'll be using this account to register. So let's say the name of the account is Spring. Let me get the email. So springdispatch1@gmail.com, and then I confirm the email by copying it and pasting it here. So this will automatically send an email that has your password. So you go to the inbox and check for the email, and also get our login details. So BulkSend has sent an email. Now we have our email details, and the cool thing about this software, it is free for everyone, but there's a caveat. As you can see here, if you want your campaigns, if you want, number one, unlimited credit, so everyone gets 100,000 credit at this moment, as of now, because we just launched the software. It might reduce in the future, but as of now that I'm doing this video, everyone gets 100,000 free credits, and everyone is for life able to use it with their 100,000 free credits that comes with it. Now, for anyone who buys a plan, they get unlimited credits, no limit to it, and the plans are very cheap. We have the plans of 6 months, and also if you are using the free plan, what I have just registered now is a free plan, which you get 100,000 credits, and with that 100,000 credits, you'll be able to send. You'll be able to use it to send unlimited message with that 100,000 credits, and you also able to all your messages. At this where it gets important. All your messages will have a footer credit, as you can see here. It will have a footer credit, meaning it will have bulksend.com.ng in all of them, just to promote the platform and limit you. So if you want your messages clean without any information added to it from the website, ensure you buy the premium. That is the advantage of that is the most basic advantage of the premium. Now let's say you send 1 million message tomorrow. Now all of those 1 million message will have a footer credit in all of those messages that will have the bulksend.com.ng and other messages in it to promote it for us. This is the advantage we take from you as a free user. Now if you buy the premium, we don't put footer credits in that. So that's the advantage of premium. So now we have our login details. We have, as you can see here, you have 100,000 credits. You can send messages with 2 devices only. For premium, you have unlimited device you can add, and you can only store 10,000 contact. At the moment, it's only 10,000. Later on, it will be reduced. So this is the advantage of early users. So you might be surprised, you might get something different from this probably later on in the future when you see this video. So let me just copy the login details and log in. The password, everyone gets a unique password once they are registered. So let me go and log in now. Let me log in and then password. So now you are in. Here you get the information. Now this information also is also essential. You get this pop-up. Now I wouldn't want to, let me just save this login here. First allow this, and this part you can always get this function. Basically what it is telling you that for you to connect your gateway, now for your gateway, just find your Android phone, any Android phone that you have, find it and scan this code. This will automatically download an app for you. No, basically this will be the sign-in QR code that you use to sign in on that app. If you don't have an account on the web like this, on the website, that you'll be able to scan for the web for the app. And the app that you are going to be getting, it does not support Play Store. It doesn't support Play Store. So you have to deactivate your Play Protect for that moment when you want to install the app. I'll be showing you that process as well later on. So back to this, you can download the app here and send it to your mobile phone. So let me download the app here. That is the first option of download the app. You can download the app directly from there. That's option 1 on downloading the app. That is option 1 of downloading the app. The second option to download the app is by using this second option. So now I can't find this thing anymore. Don't worry, don't be bothered. Just come down here, you'll be able to download the app. Click on this and you'll be able to download the app again. Just click on it, you automatically download it. Can you see that? It automatically downloads the app and it's downloading again. Do you see? Now another option is for you to download the app. Let's say you couldn't even find this as well. Later on in the future we made some upgrade, and then by the time you get to this sender and you want to add your you get to this device, you want to add your device, that pop-up will come up again. So I've shown you 3 ways for you to get the download button. Again, once more, come here, download it, come here, download it, or immediately you sign in or you sign up and then you sign in for the first time, you get the pop-up. So those are the options. Now if you this said download app, I've already downloaded the app. Now let me push the app into my WhatsApp. So I have my WhatsApp here. I just push it into my WhatsApp. So I will just download it on my phone directly. So this is the SMS gateway app. And then I installed it on my phone. I send it to my phone like that on my WhatsApp. So I'll be able to get it on my phone. I'll be recording on my phone as well, and then I'll put the recording of the phone part after I finish this video, so you can watch it as well and then you can just correlate with it easily. So now we have downloaded the app. So let me just walk you through what this place looks like. We have your dashboard. This is where the announcement comes in. I'll be sharing different announcements here in the future, so you can just watch out for that. This is it, your 100,000 credits. And if you want to get new credit, just click on it. Let's say for example in the future you don't have credit anymore and you want to get new credit. By clicking on it, it will take you to WhatsApp for you to reach out to me directly. Do you understand? Let's say you want to renew your credit, just click on it. It will take you to WhatsApp for you to renew your credit. Now you have your messages. Just want to show your messages, the analytics dashboard. You click on it and schedule message, queue messages to show all your details, and for your USD code as well, the ones that are pending and the ones that have been sent. So those are the 2 features that you have. So now to the profile, you can change your password if you want to change it here. You can change your name here, you can change your country and everything here. Everything you want to do, you can set it up here, and then you can set up your USSD there. Then devices, this is where we add the devices. I'll come back to that. If you want to blacklist certain numbers and blacklist stop message to that person, so those numbers here. You can create templates here for your messages. Just ready-made template that you want to use, you can have it there. And then your contacts, you can create contacts add a contact and add it manually here, or you can upload it when you want to send. You understand? You can upload your contacts one by one here. Then your messages is where we send. This is where you see all your messages details. And then the sender, this is where you'll be sending your messages. So I'll walking you through this also later on when we start sending messages. And then USSD parts. This is where you set up your USSD, and then autoresponder. If you have a autoresponder message that you want to create, you can create them here, and then it will automatically auto responds to those messages. This is auto response automation basically. So I think that is pretty straightforward. So let's quickly look at the device. Let's add device and do that. So let me install the app first. I'll be recording on my phone at the moment. So as you are looking at this, you can be listening, but I'll also add the video of that in this place. I'll add it in between this part. So the first thing, as usual, on your desktop, click this to be ready to be scanned later on by the time I'm logging in on my phone. So on my phone, I've started recording. The audio will be showing here as well. So now I'll go to my phone to find the app that I sent to my phone. Then I'll be installing it. So let me download the app first. That is very small. I download it. Then the next thing, if I want to install it, it will not install. For some it will install, for some phones it will install, but for mine it will not install. Why? It is because of Play Protect. So if you tell me Play Protect would not allow me install it. So got it, I'll have to go and deactivate my Play Protect. So I'll go to Play Store. I'll go to my profile there, Play Protect. Then I'll just pause it for the moment. Go to settings and then just pause it for the moment. Now Play Protect is paused. I'll go back and try and install the app once more. You see? Now I open it. Now it's installed, I allow it. So there are two options to sign in. The first one is just to go ahead and sign in with your QR code. So I'll just scan my PC and then I'll be able to sign in. That QR code that is there, and then it automatically sign me in. That is option one. You see that? Option one, automatically sign. Make your SMS gateway the default one. And then it will show everything that you are seeing there. That is option one. I want to show you the option two of signing in. So I want to sign out again. Option two is, you can see the server, it is showing here. Inputting this exactly, you can see it. The website URL here. And then you put your email and password like that. Now I don't know my email. I know my email here, but I don't know the password. I cannot type it. You know, it is a lot of numbers. So I'll just you just input your email. This is the most special part that you might not remember. So just put the server as https://bulksend.com.ng like that, and then input your email and then the password, and then you'll be able to sign in. So I'll be using the QR code back to sign in. Now we are in, and then I can start doing campaign. Now the cool thing about it is this gateway that you are seeing here, this SMS gateway. For someone who wants to quickly send messages, you can go ahead and do your campaigns directly from this place. You understand? You can do your campaigns directly, but might not be easy because you are using this for bulk messaging. But you want to quickly send maybe like 100 or 20 messages, and you have the numbers copied somewhere. You can just input them here. Let's say I want to send to two numbers. Now my numbers have automatically connected. Let's say I want to use SIM2 to send message only, and then I will put a number here. So you can see always separate it with comma and push plus country code. whenever you want to send messages. So let's say I want to send message to my second number with my first number. And then I want to prioritize the message. I want to send SMS. I'm not using, can send SMS, can send MS multimedia message, but I'm not sending MS. And then I can just say this is a test. Then I send the messages. So message sent successfully. Now this is a fast and easy way to do about installing sending messages. Now the for bulk messaging, now you have to use the template because you have to arrange your numbers there. So dashboard, everything just like it is as I've explained. You can do that here easily and faster. But now once it's activated and it is on, you can see the message I sent, it has already been sent and it is received already. So no stressing. That's the way it is. If you want to buy credits now, you can just click on this place too. Automatically take you to WhatsApp to buy credits. You see? Take you to WhatsApp to buy credits. So that is for credits. That's the message here. Anyways, I think I have to correct that there for that messaging style. So that's for that. So I'll be going back to the system now to continue the video. So now back to the system and ready to continue. I've scanned and website is ready to go. The next thing is you will notice, go to device here, below it you will be able to see your device is connected and then you are ready to send campaigns. Now let's take for example that your device here, it is not close to you. The device you want to use, let's say you want to use another device maybe in the US and you are in Qatar or you are in UAE or you are in Dubai and you want to use the same card in US. So you can just have someone put the same card in his phone and just have it connected and plugged and the campaign will continue to run just like that. It's as simple as that. So here is the moving forward. Now that is resolved, then we say okay, add. Yeah, well, now you can add more devices as well because you can add more devices and you can add multiple gateways here for you to be able to send campaigns. So now let's test the sender here as well. So as usual, I'll test again here. You want to send single or you want to just copy and paste messages, you can just carry all the numbers we have. Let me tell ChatGPT to give me random numbers. Nigeria number. With +234 and separate them with commas. So now it has generated some numbers for me, just random numbers. So I'll copy it and then I'll go back to my bulk messaging software, paste them there. You see, I'm not going to be running this campaign. No. But let me even try how many messages, how many numbers are there. Let me just try with maybe like 5. So and then I say okay, SMS, hi. I just sent I just sent you this message with my bulk messaging worldwide software. Get started today. For free, for life. So sent. Oh, as you can see, it doesn't see the number. The numbers are not valid. It won't send the message. Let me use my MTN to try and send. Let's see if it will send. The numbers are not valid. So, anyways, the numbers are not valid. So that's why it didn't go through. So basically, you can see it was able to. But this is how you arrange it, and then you'll be able to send message. Basically, you can just copy and paste the actual numbers. So I feel you get the point here. So I think that covers that part. On to the next one. Now you want to send a lot of messages, at once. This is where you come. This place, this is where you get it. So the first place thing you want to do is you want to download this example file. You will download it and then you open it. This is how you arrange your numbers. This you cannot do on a phone easily. But for those who know how to use Excel very well on their phone, I think you should be able to do it as well on your phone. But it is more flexible and more easy to use on for those who wants to do a campaign and for those who are running a company basically. So let's look at this. Open. It's still opening. So it's loading up and opening the file, and I'll be showing you how to arrange your numbers just exactly as it is. You see it here. Look at the format here. This is the number section, mobile number. So this place is where you put your numbers. Just arrange all your numbers downwards. Now it's not compulsory you put your messages here, but you can also put your message that you want to send once. Everything here, you can put it there, and you have name of the people you want to use to send message to. You can also put their message there, just so you know, just to make you know that this works perfectly well. So let's take for example, I want to test with my phone number. Let me put my actual numbers here: 2349061. Let me not put my number there. So this is the company number that is your message at the end of the day. So this one 698609, and let me put another public number that I have for 8023524114, and yeah, I think that's it. Those are the numbers I have. Let me just remove this one for now. So let me download that. Let me save that back. Save as it came as XLXS, so it should be an Excel file, XLXS. Save it back. So I call it, let me just call it example test. Example Let's just go with that. Examples. Okay, what's wrong? Testing encrypting. No, not drive. I want to save it on my PC. Let me go to put it on downloads instead. So downloads, and that is it. I think that's correct. And then saved. Now it is saved. Then we take it to this place and drop the Excel file for us to run the campaign. So this is the file. Select it. Then I open it there. I've uploaded it. Put my messages. Yes. You can see. You can see now. You can put your name there. Hi. Or since the message is already there, just send. Do you get? I can just send and send already because the message is already there. You remember I put the message on the file. It's already there. So this is the text message. And campaign has gone just like that. So to confirm the campaign went, let's go and check our campaign details and track our campaigns. You can see 3 messages sent, 5 is received already. Do you understand? So that is how we work. It's very simple and easy to use. So now you can just play around and walk around it and enjoy how this software works. I think that covers everything. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and then I will do a follow-up video to assist you. So if you have also, if you want to reach out, there's a link also in the description that will have a contact us link in the description of this video. You to reach out for any more inquiries as well. So I think that is everything. If you have any further inquiries, always use the description. And we also have an email marketing software that we are bringing on board soon, and we'll also share that in the description of this video for you to try out our email marketing. It's going to be free as well as usual at first, and then later on we'll start charging our subscription, but it will be free for those who take advantage of it. As it so it will be first free. Basically it's going to be free. I'll just add some things to make it not free for you. Just maybe that this method of footer credit. So I'll see you next one. Bye for now.